All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I do a lot of phone calls. I want hands-free, and that is where something like this would come into play. So I appreciate AnyCo sending this over to me. This is a Bluetooth speakerphone conference setup here with 4 microphones, and this will be good for an office setup. Now, again, when I tell you I do a lot of phone calls, I'm that person that actually uses their phones for more phone calls in minutes than text. So this is $99, and I'll have a link in the description so you can grab yours. If you do a lot of phone calls and you want your hands free, this is an option for you. I'm not saying, oh, go out and buy this because Jay said so, they send it out to them. No. I actually use things like this, and this comes in handy so much for me. It's incredible. So in the box, you get obviously the speakerphone, and then you get the Type-C cable, and that should be it. Yep, that's all. Because this can plug into any computer, and you get the manual, obviously, but this is just a Bluetooth speaker setup for phone calls. So you can use this for pretty much anything, man. I mean, this is going to be super simple to understand. But if you need to read the instructions, I need to read the instructions sometimes. But yeah, it shouldn't be too difficult. So that's just a nice, simple packaging it comes in. Here is the, I'll move this Type-C out of the way here because, you know, that's a heavy duty Type-C as well. You don't really need that. So it's clearly labeled here for you. Bluetooth, power, battery, volume, phone, mute mic, in call. There's just no way that you can mess this up. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in here. Use the cable that they gave me here. Sometimes when you're using something like Google has products to where you have to use their cable, the Google stand, if you have that. A lot of people was like, oh, I can use any stand. No, you can't. You got to use the one that they gave you. So I have a portable battery pack here. I'm just going to use since it's close by, just to kind of keep this in view here. I'll give it some power, and then you can see it's charging. And you can see power there. And it's letting you know all these things are lighting up here, just like that. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a phone. All right, so pressing these are touch sensitive, so touching there, you can see there is gonna go ahead and pair to it. There it is, and you wanna go ahead and pair that. So right now, it's currently, the battery is at 60%. So you've got 4 microphones. You can have a meeting with up to 6 people. This is actually really nice. Plug and play universal. You can get up to 10 hours out of this thing with your meetings or whatever. So that's really good. So let's go down specifically to the specifications so I can tell you the battery. The battery is 2500 and it is Bluetooth 5.0. Again, 4 microphone array. This is considered the horn in the center there. In the book, it's got all these different things labeled, but I want to go ahead and make a phone call here. And let's see here. I'm just going to call my other line here. Let's see. See how this does here. See how it's all lighting up? Very nice, man. Very nice. And my phone is ringing. All right. Woo. So very nice. So this speakerphone here is gonna be right here on this desk. So when I'm making lots of phone calls and conferences, things like that, I can keep my hands free, and I'm pretty sure that they are gonna be impressed with the way the microphones sound, because this is super clear. And I know over video it's kind of hard, but you know, I guess if you have an office and you know you have those other ones that we used to use with it sprouts out on the side with the microphones. The microphones are here, and here. They're all around the device, and this is a top-facing speakerphone. So this is important. You could probably use this for some music too, but phone calls. You've got a phone in, you can answer from here, you can end from here, you can mute the mic from here. You know, you got the volume up and down. It's touch sensitive. It's a go. And it shows you when you hit that how far it's up. So if you go down, it shows you that it's it's down here. This is the volume for it. See, now it's on half volume, and you press it up. Now it's on full volume. So we can turn it to half. That was full volume, by the way. And that sounded really, really good. So no sales pitch here from your man Jay. There's a market for everything. And they sent this to me because they know that I use speakerphones. You know, I do a lot of phone calls, and I appreciate them sending this over. So when you consider something like this for $99 based on today's market, it's wireless, you know, it's $100. It's an easy win for someone who can put this to use, and that someone is me, because now I can sit in here without using Bluetooth and sit on a conference call or something and have crystal clear audio. And the microphone's going to them when they hear me talk, they'll say, this is really, really solid. So it's your man Jay, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Plug this into your computer or a power source, whichever you choose, and you'll always have a Bluetooth speaker and microphone setup for your office. Take care.